Good day children, Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Students, in the last period of EVS, we have studied about mountains. What are mountains? Yes or no? What are hills, valleys and plateaus? Yes or no? We have seen some of the physical features of the earth in the last period. So today we are going to see some more physical features of the earth. So are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay. Now today we are going to see some more physical features of the earth. First is rivers and lakes. Water is present on the earth in many forms. It is circulated on the earth as rain. Rainwater is the cleanest form of fresh water. You must have seen the earth, image of the earth. Yes or no? You must have seen the globe also. Have you all noticed that I have already showed you the picture of earth, how the earth looks. On the earth there is more percent of water. Yes or no? So the water is circulated on the earth as rain. It is circulated as rain. Okay, and rainwater is the cleanest form of fresh water. Okay. When the snow melts on the mountains, it comes down to the plains as a river. River water is not salty and is also known as fresh water. River water is used for drinking and for cooking after boiling it. Now kids, I have already explained you that on the peak of the mountain, on the peak of the mountain, what it is there? There is a snow. When that snow starts melting, what comes down? When the snow starts melting, it comes down to the plain. The snow starts melting and it comes down to the plain in the form of river. Okay, and river water is not salty. River water is not salty and that water is known as fresh water. River water can be used for cooking, drinking, and it can be used for daily means it can be used for household purpose after boiling it. Okay, can you see this picture? Yes, it is a picture of a river. When the water falls from the height, it forms a waterfall. You must have seen waterfall. If you have not seen, just see. Just check on the Google. You may find so many pictures of beautiful waterfalls. See, can you see the picture? It is a picture of a waterfall. Now, when the water falls from the height, from the top of the mountain, when the water falls, yes, you must have seen in movies also. Yes or no? When the water falls from the height, what it is called? Such type of water is called waterfalls. What they are called as? Waterfalls. Okay. Now we have already seen what are rivers and lakes. Now we'll talk about seas and oceans. A sea is a large body of water. Sea water is salty and cannot be used for drinking and cooking purpose. You must have seen the sea water. Yes or no? You must have seen the sea water. How it is? How it tastes? It tastes salty. Yes or no? So, sea is a large water bodies. Okay? And sea water is salty. It cannot be used for drinking and cooking. River water is fresh water, but sea water is salty water and it cannot be used for drinking and cooking purpose. Okay? Now, what are oceans? Oceans are the largest bodies of the water. Ocean water is also salty like sea. Same like sea, ocean is also salty. Ocean water is also salty and both the waters cannot be used for cooking and drinking purpose. Okay, sea and ocean water cannot be used for drinking and cooking purpose. Now, what are deserts? Let's see. Deserts are large areas of land that are dry and usually covered with sand. Cactus plants are mostly found in desert as it needs very little water. The camel is useful animal in desert as it can stay without water for many days. See, now what are deserts? Deserts are large areas of land that are dry and are usually covered with sand. What they are covered with? Usually covered with sand. Mostly we are not able to see, we can't see there different trees like coconut tree, mango tree. No. Only we can see the plant as cactus plant. Over there we can see only cactus plant. Okay, and which animal is mostly found in the desert region? Yes, camel. That's why camel is called a ship of desert. Okay, camel is such an animal which can survive in that climate, in that desert dry climate. It can stay without water for many days. Okay. Now see kids, very important. Our earth is very beautiful. Yes or no? We must take good care of it as it takes care of us by giving us food, water and sunlight. We must keep it clean and healthy. Yes or no? As earth take care of us, we should also take care of it. Yes or no? As it gives us food, water and sunlight. Without all this, we can survive? No. So, what is our responsibility? We should keep it clean and healthy. We should not cut trees. Yes or no? We should plant more trees. Okay? Now kids, we have already completed this chapter now. Now based on this, we'll do a small activity. Okay? Are you all ready? Okay. In this activity, I am going to ask you some question and you have to answer it. Don't worry. Teacher will help you to answer the question. Answer the following. Now very important thing. Kids, what you will do, you will take your EVS notebook and write the chapter name. What is the chapter name? The Earth. Okay? And after that, you will write the heading, answer the following. And you will write all these questions in your notebook. Okay kids? So shall we start? First question. What is called the atmosphere? Now we have already studied this in our first session. So what is called the atmosphere? Can anyone answer? Yes. Teacher will give you the answer. The answer is the earth has air all around it. The earth has air all around it, which is called the atmosphere. The earth has air all around it, which is called the atmosphere. Okay? Next. What are plains? What are plains? Now what are plains? Let's see. A flat lands are called plains. Which type of lands are called plains? Flat lands. Flat lands are called plains. Okay? Now next question. Which water is used for drinking and cooking? Which water is used for drinking and cooking? Now you only tell me which water? Yes, correct. Which water? River water. River water is used for drinking and cooking. Which water? River water is used for drinking and cooking. Okay? Now kids, I hope you all must have understood what is the earth is, and we have seen some main physical features of the earth also today. Okay, now kids, what you will do? You will revise this chapter one more time and you will write this question answers in your EVS notebook. Okay, we will see one new and fresh chapter in next period. Till then, thank you.